Tonight, a mother is fighting her student's drug suspension from school.
She says there is evidence to prove he is innocent. Ryan Kath joins us with a story you'll see only here tonight. Ryan?
Mark, this parent tells me her freshman son has never been in trouble at school. She believes his 30-day punishment is based entirely on suspicion.
For the past several weeks, Justin Trober's classroom has been the kitchen table. The freshman has been banned from Grain Valley High School, accused of being under the influence.
I was mad.
His mom's reaction was typical when she got the call from the principal. But Janet Trober says she was surprised when she picked up her son from school on November 14th.
My son looks perfectly normal. He didn't look like he was under the influence of anything when I seen him.
Janet took her son to get drug tested that same day. It came back negative. The next day, she also paid for a test that screens for synthetic drugs like K2. None detected.
This is what the lab gave me.
She contacted the principal with the results.
And he said that drug screens give false negatives and that his officer is not incorrect and the body language does not lie.
So if a principal is suspicious, he or she can make a suspension right then and there.
Absolutely.
We spoke to Assistant Superintendent Brad Welly, who could only address the district's drug policy in general. He said administrators and school nurses make the initial assessment, and if necessary, a drug recognition expert is called to the school. However, we learned there is no formal report documenting those findings.
Why is there no documentation for the tests?
I'm not sure.
Is there any doubt in your mind that he was not under the influence?
None.
Janet says if she had any doubt, she'd be getting her son help. Instead, she plans to keep fighting.
It's exhausting. I've missed time at work. I've spent nearly $200 on drug screens, just to prove his, integrity and his character, and it has done me absolutely no good thus far.
The assistant superintendent told me there is nothing unusual about its drug policy, but if it's determined more documentation would be helpful, it's something they would review in the future. Meantime, Justin's parents met with the school board tonight to appeal their son's suspension. I'm told those are rare. It's the first appeal this school year. We will be sure to let you know what happens. Ryan Kath, NBC Action News.